so this is the finished look of this unit, and how are we liking it? Now let's get into the specs real quick of this unit that I have on today. So today I have on a Outre wig, and this is part of their melted hairline collection. And I have the style Alexandra, and this is 26 inches. And the color that I have on is DRFF Caramel Mocha, and this color is so pretty. Now I haven't worn an Outre wig in I don't even know how long, like it's been a long time, and I gotta get back on with them to see what they have. But yeah, let's get into more specs of this unit. So with this unit, it does have transparent lace, and it is a side T-part. So it's just lace right here, and then for more of a realistic hairline and for a frontal effect, it is a little bit of lace on the sides as well. Now they did redesign these units to have a comfort fit for your ear contour. Now with this lace, you do not have to pluck it. It does come pre-plucked. But as you guys know, I always like to go in with my wigs and pluck it a little bit more bald to my liking. And this unit has heat resistant fibers up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It took my hot comb pretty well. I had it on the highest setting. As well as it being pre-plucked, it also comes with baby hairs and sideburns on the sides as well. Now it does come with a pre-attached wide elastic band. Honestly, I love Outre's wigs because usually I don't need to use it, but I do for extra precaution. But their wigs are big hair friendly, so I never have a problem with them. Overall, I do give this wig an A+. Now, obviously, with all synthetic wigs, you're going to experience shedding, which I have. And the shedding could also be from me plucking the hairline. But like I said, that happens with synthetic wigs. I really do love the lace on this unit because it literally just melted in my skin. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this wig. If you love it, hate it, let me know in the comments. If you guys would like to purchase it, I am going to be linking it down below for you in my description box. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you are not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.